How to fix Instagram widescreen problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple. All what you need to do is just open the settings page on your phone like this, and then go to the apps. Now after you go to the apps page on your phone, go to Instagram between all the apps, and then all what you have to do here is very simple. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just click here on data usage and click here on the Wi-Fi, and make sure that all those options are enabled. Now the last step you have to do is click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on this force stop option, and then all what you have to do now is simple. Just restart your phone and then reopen Instagram. So yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.